Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Liam is a university student. He lives in a small apartment. Every day, he takes the bus to class. Today, he wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. He gets dressed quickly. Then, he eats a simple breakfast. After breakfast, he leaves his house at 7:45. At the bus stop, Liam sees some other people waiting. The bus arrives at 7:50. The doors open with a beep. Liam gets on the bus and taps his card on the machine. "Good morning," he says to the driver. "Morning," replies the driver with a smile. Liam finds a seat by the window. He sits down and puts in his earphones. He listens to a podcast. The bus starts to move through the city. Liam looks outside the window. He sees people on the street. The bus stops a few times to pick up more passengers. After about 10 minutes, an old man with a cane gets on the bus. He looks a bit tired. "Thank you, young man," says the man kindly. Liam smiles and stands near the door, feeling happy. At 8:10, Liam gets off the bus. He is near his university now. He checks his backpack. It has his laptop, notebook, and pens. But before he walks to class, he stops at a cafe. "One small latte, please," he says to the barista. He takes his coffee and walks to campus, ready for another day of learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.